Hi, welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. Borno State Governor Professor Babagana Umar Zulum has flagged off the distribution of critical agricultural input for the 2025-2026 dry season wheat farming. The distributed input includes high-yielding wheat seeds, blended fertilizers, tractors, and pesticides. The event held on Saturday at the Jere Bowl Dusuman Jere local government area of Borno State marked the commencement of the federal government's interventions program for wheat cultivation in Nigeria. The initiative is being implemented under the National Agricultural Growth Scheme and Agro Pocket, a flagship program of the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security designed to empower farmers and reduce the country's reliance on food imports. More than 21,000 candidates on Saturday took for an online examination as part of the recruitment process for 3,000 opening in the Sokoto State Civil Service. According to the chairman of the recruitment committee, Alhaji Jelani Kalgo, over 30,000 applicants submitted entries, but 21,178 were shortlisted after the initial screening. He expressed satisfaction with the conduct of the examination after touring several centers across the state. A shocking incident at Staville School in Jahi, Abuja, Nigeria left many people worried. It started when a teacher admitted he slapped a student. He claimed the student pushed him twice during an ongoing class. Things got worse later that day as the school held a meeting with the principal, the teacher, and the students' parents in attendance. What should have been a calm talk turned violence as the parents couldn't hold their temper and they start slapping the teacher. The principal did not stop the violence. Instead, he filmed the scene on his phone and seemed to cheer the parents on. This event has raised big questions about the safety and discipline in schools. Now, insecurity. Kankia local government authorities in Katsina State have reportedly entered into a new peace agreement with terrorists operating in the area amidst a surge in attack and kidnapping across the state. The News Chronicle gathered that the deal was concluded on Saturday, marking the latest attempt by local officials to negotiate with armed groups terrorizing communities. Still on insecurity, bandit attack commuters along the Fontua-Safi road in Safi local government area of Zamfara State, killing several people and abducting others. In a similar incident, they also invaded the Fagin Bazaar community and killed several people. Now, politics. Plateau governor denies joining YPP after failed APC defections. Zamfara 3 executives drag APC to court over November 11 suspension. Atahiru Bafarawa has called on all Nigerians to join hands together with President Tinubu to succeed. Now from the international scene, tens of thousands of people are gathering in the Philippines capital Manila demanding accountability over a corruption scandal linked to flood control projects and top government officials, including allies of President Ferdinand Marcos. The three-day rally, which begins on Sunday, is the latest display of outrage over the discovery that 10,000 upload defense projects across the typhoon-prone country were made from substandard materials or simply did not exist. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.